Hi guys, you are welcome. In today's lesson, let us provide solution to this very question before us. Here we are to determine the area of the shape above. Okay, so if you look at this very figure above, you observe that this is a composite shape, okay? Also known as what? Compound shape or irregular shape, okay? It is an irregular shape because it is made up of two or more what? Simpler shapes, okay? So from here now, do you know if you are calculating area, what do you mean by area? Area means the total space, okay, of a particular shape. That is the area, okay? So from here now, if this is a compound shape, we can split this figure into two, okay? If we split this into two, we now have a triangle and a rectangle, okay? So your diagram should come like this: triangle and a rectangle. Okay, so your area of triangle is given as what? Half base times height. Then your area of rectangle is given as what? Length times breadth. So for us to get the area of the triangle, then we get the area of the rectangle before we total. Okay, so let's do it this way. Given the height of the figure to be 17 centimeter, okay, your height of this triangle is unknown. So, and the width of the rectangle is given as 10. So simply minus 17, okay, your width 10 minus 17, you now have here to be 7 centimeter. Automatically from here to here, which is the height of the triangle, is what? 7 centimeter. Okay, so now we can now calculate for the area of the triangle. Okay, so area of triangle is what? Half times base times height. Okay, your half times base is 12, because if here is 12, so you move here to here is also what? 12 as your base of the what? Triangle. Okay, so we have 12 times your height, which is 7. Okay, so 12 divided by 2, you have 6. Okay, 6 times 7, you have your area of triangle to be what? 42 centimeters squared. Okay, so let us calculate for the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, okay, is equal to length times width, which will now give you the length is what? 12 times 10. Okay, so 10 times 12 gives you what? 120 centimeters squared. Okay, so we now come back to the question that we should determine the area of the what? Shape. Since we've gotten the total area of the two shapes that are made up of this compound shape, then we now add the total area. Okay, so area of the shape is equal to area of triangle, okay, plus area of what? Rectangle. Your area of a triangle is what? 42 centimeters squared, plus area of rectangle 120. Okay, this gives you 162 centimeters squared as the area of this very shape. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. Bye bye.